In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain on card.co. First, start by opening your card dashboard. From there, choose the site you want to publish so you're working on the correct project. This ensures any changes you make apply to the right page, especially if you have multiple sites in your account. Next, click Publish at the top of the editor. The Publish panel is where Card gathers everything related to how your site goes live, so it's the right place to set up your web address. Under the Choose URL section, you'll see two options. The first is to use a .card.so URL, which is available on the free plan. That gives you a card branded address that works right away. The second option is use a custom domain, which lets you connect your own domain name like example.com, but it requires a pro plan. Tap Custom Domain to continue. When you do, Card will display a message explaining that you need Card Pro Standard or higher to use this feature. This is a quick reminder that custom domains aren't available on the free plan. If you're on the free plan now, you can either continue with a .card.co URL or upgrade to unlock custom domains. If you decide to upgrade, choose a pro plan that includes custom domains. Once your account is on Pro Standard or higher, return to Publish and open the Choose URL section again. Select Custom Domain and you'll be able to type in the domain you want to use. Enter the full domain name carefully, like tutorial.com, making sure there are no typos. It should be a domain you already own and plan to use for this site. Keep it short, easy to remember, and consistent with your brand or project name for the best results. As you enter your domain, double-check the spelling and formatting before you proceed. It's a small step, but it prevents confusion later. If you're testing or preparing a launch, you can start by publishing with a .card.so URL and switch to your custom domain once your pro plan is active. That's all there is to it. Open your dashboard and select your site, click Publish, choose Custom Domain, note that Pro Standard or higher is required, and after upgrading, enter the domain you want to use. With that, you're set up to present your card site on a clean professional address that's easy to share and remember.